Hi everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of Behind Better Homes. And trust me, today's episode is extra special. Why? Because until now, you have only seen sample flats, model homes and blueprints. But today we are stepping into a fully up and running K Better home. So buckle up because we are taking you on a journey through K City in Keshav Nagar. And let's be real, nothing beats seeing the final masterpiece. Built, delivered, and ready to be lived in. Now, this is what I call a majestic entrance. Just look at it. Grand, welcoming, and setting the tone for what's to come. Standing tall right at the edge of the project, these gates are your first hello to the exceptional living experience that is K City. Almost 250 happy families call this place home, and I totally get why. Plus, more than 350 families are considering possession of homes here, making K City their forever place. The scale? Massive. We are talking 10 plus towers, 3 levels of parking, and top-notch facilities. Plus, it's super well connected. Hadapsar, Kharadi, Manjri, you name it. It's just a drive away. And the property upkeep? Spotless. Among the many amenities here, there's one space that truly takes things sky high. The project boasts an expansive 20,000 square feet of amenity area, amongst which today we are going to explore the sky amenities, accessed from the D&E building. Welcome to the Sky Lounge 1, your personal retreat in the clouds. Located right above the 13th floor, this space boasts an expansive area of 7,200 square feet. And yes, the elevators that bring you up here feel just as luxurious as the destination itself. First up, we've got the open to the sky yoga and meditation deck. Isn't this stunning? Just imagine meditating here as the evening glow settles in. The geometric design, those polished wooden tiles, and the warm lighting. It's all so serene. And the view? Just wow. Pune never looked better. And now, the hero of the Sky Lounge, the swimming pool. I mean, look at this. Elevated, deep blue, and so refreshing. It's exactly what you need on a hot summer day. And with that rooftop setup, you're literally swimming with a view. The pool area even has a baby pool, a health bar, and an open-air gym. It's a 360-degree wellness experience right in the sky. Now let's talk gym, because truly, this one's a stunner. Fully air-conditioned, packed with state-of-the-art equipment, and surrounded by large windows for those epic city views. Honestly, working out here feels more like a treat than a task. Oh, and guess what? The buildings are connected through the terrace, so you can actually take a scenic walk across the skyline. Talk about everyday magic. The Sky Lounge at K City is all about taking life to the next level. Literally. Whether it's relaxing, working out, or just soaking in the views, this place has it all. Spacious? Check. Spectacular? Double check. Splendid? Triple check. And the best part, K Better Homes isn't just about promises. It's about truly delivering. With multiple completed phases and countless happy homeowners, they have proven time and again that their quality, commitment, and craftsmanship are second to none. K Better Homes has once again raised the bar, delivering more than what was promised. A masterpiece of design, quality, and experience, living up to its name. And that, my friends, is K City for you.